Hey everybody, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools available today. For over 16 years, we've developed more than 50 custom solutions that have helped around 7,500 clients automate workflows, reduce manual errors, and save time across a wide range of industries. And with over 140 five-star reviews on Google, our track record speaks for itself. Today, I'm excited to introduce something truly unique, our Store Locator program built entirely in Excel. That's right, an actual Google Maps store locator that runs right from your desktop Excel application. This tool is designed to intelligently match each customer to the nearest store or service provider based solely on their location. Whether you have 5 or 5,000 customers, the process is fast, accurate, and effortless. What makes this tool so special is that there's no extra software to install. It uses the power of Google Maps API to generate results. If you haven't yet set up your Google Maps API key, no problem. We have a quick video guide that walks you through the setup in about 5 minutes. Here's how the tool works. Simply input your list of customers along with their addresses and do the same for your list of store locations. Names are optional but useful for identifying results. Once your data is ready, just click the Calculate button. The tool will automatically determine which store is closest to each customer, calculate the straight line and driving distances, and even include estimated driving time. If you ever need help setting things up or have any questions, just give us a call. Unlike many tech companies, we actually answer the phone ourselves. You can also reach us by email or through the live chat feature on our website. No bots or automated messages, just real people ready to help. To get started with your own Store Locator program, click the download link in the description. We're confident this Excel-based tool will streamline your location matching process and help you serve your customers more efficiently. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more powerful Excel tools coming your way. Until next time, take care and happy mapping.